Today is a very special day. We get to treat a patient who really needs our help and our care. His name is Ken.
Hi, my name is Ken Steeg. I'm having full implants being done, upper and lower. Looking forward to having my smile back again. 10 months ago, I started noticing that I had one of the front tooth was loose. I tried to have it fixed and I was told, no, it needs to be replaced. My self-confidence has gone way down. I don't want to smile. It's hard to eat. Certain things you can't do. I'm hoping that once this is done, that I can be myself again.
Today, Ken is able to finally move forward with a dream of having a new smile. We get the opportunity to deliver Ken's temporary bridge today. I'm looking forward to share with you more as we proceed with Ken's treatment.
Dr. Gabby, he's very calm, very soothing when you're talking to him. He's surrounded himself with a great crew of people. I trust him. I just got to leave it in their hands, that's all. I'm looking really forward to seeing what's going to happen today. In August, I got my surgery. That was a day. I'll tell you that. Not anything what I expected.
We will be placing 4 individual implants in the upper jaw, 4 on the lower jaw, and we're just excited to witnessing this whole journey.
It was an incredible feeling when I first saw him in. I was ecstatic. I could just actually then see myself with my permanent ones then. I could smile again, I could talk to people. I noticed my whole attitude had changed. Dr. Gabby was amazing. He's a very calm, he works with you. The whole staff here works with you very well. Very incredible. It took me a day or so to get used to them, but now it's like, they feel like part of me. Hi, my name is Ken, and Primary Dental is the place to go all the time.